Okay, now let's start with the program number 2, which is making use of the HTTP session for working with the naturally updating the time and everything. So for that, what we do is first we go to new project, then we go to web application as usual, then let us give timing servlet. You can give any name, there is no any problem in that. Then next we go for the default selection, then we just give next, then give finish. So in this particular program we don't need any HTML, we just need a servlet program or a servlet. So what I do is I just directly go to new, then make use of the servlet here. So let us give the servlet name as time servlet as the name. You can give any name, there is any problem. Then click on next. Then we need to add information to deployment descriptor, which will be coming in web.xml. Next we click on finish. Now we are getting the complete program. So I'll just delete all the things whatever is there here, so that I will be pasting only the code which we have already written. Now what I will do is I'll just copy that code from the Word file. Then paste it here. So after pasting it, we may have some errors in this particular program because we are making use of the Gregorian calendar or the calendar which is not imported. So first I will do one by one. First I will add override notation, then I will add the import statement. Just click here on the bulb like structure, then add import for java.util.calendar, then make use of the same thing, add import for java.util.gregorian calendar. So all our errors are gone now. So let us understand this program right now. So here in this particular program, what we are doing is we are making use of the two important things present from java.util, that is, one is calendar and one is Gregorian calendar. So both are the utilities which are provided by the java.util. So in this particular program, what we do is we just try to make use of some headers. So in that headers we have one header called as refresh, which refreshes the page at the rate of 5 seconds every time. So at every 5 seconds we are getting the refresh. So next we are making use of the response.setContentType, which is setting the content of the output page to text or HTML. Then we are using the calendar, which is Gregorian calendar or calendar, we can just use calendar also, no problem. Then I am making use of one string which has to be displayed in the form of AM or AM_PM. Now I need to read the timing from the system. So to read the timing from the system, what I do is I just make use of method from the calendar class called as getCalendar.r, then getCalendar.minute, then getCalendar.second. So these are the built-in variables present inside our calendar class, and we will be saving them in the form of hour, minute and second in the integer variables. Then next, if the calendar.getCalendar AM_PM is equal to 0, then it is AM, else it is PM. So we got hour, minute, second, AM or PM. Then we will just make use of the string for giving the output. So in this, what we do is we just make use of a string called as CT, and we are using R plus the colon, then minutes, then colon, then second, then after that we will be making use of some space to print the AM and PM. Then I'll be just making use of the association of the response object which has to be written to the server, that is browser. So what I do is I just make use of get writer association with the response object, and after that I'll give the title to my page as auto page refresh using servlet, then make use of that in the HTML coding, and here I am using the HTML coding with the title. Along with that I am making use of the background color as star hash F0 F0 F0, which is for the color what we want to have. We can use any code here, but it should have the hash with that. Then I am making use of the alignment as center, then I am making use of the title, and after that I am making use of one paragraph in which I am making use of CT, which is the string which I have written with the hour, minute, second and AM or PM. Then next I am making use of a do post method. So sometimes I will be using do get method, sometimes I'll be using do post method. So I want to execute only this code. So if there is a code which is calling the do post method, then also I'll be rediverting it to the do get method by calling the do get method inside our program here. So I'll just make use of overnight rotation even here itself, here also. Then so our program is complete. The only thing is we need to run this program. So I'll run this program. Before that we just go to run, then build the program. So build is successful. So after building the program I will just run the program. When we are running this program, this will be opening in the index.html, which is the default path of any servlet program. So what I do is I will just make use of the time servlet to be typed by us. Time servlet. See, here we can see the heading auto page refresh using servlet, and the heading is auto page refresh using servlet. Then here we can see the time is 47 AM, 11:43 7 AM. Now after 5 seconds it is coming 52. So after 5 seconds 57, out of 5 seconds 11:34 2 AM. So like this the time will be changing automatically by using the refreshing header, which is set to 5 seconds. So we can change the time for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever is there inside our code. So this is about our second program.